The International Space Academy is an educational research center, and we are located here inside the Space Lab at the Space Coast. We are part of this new movement called New Space, like SpaceX, Blue Origin, Space, all these commercial companies that are now working with space exploration.
KSCIA is a pioneer in developing educational content that really addresses the pillars of STEM: science, technology, engineering, and math. KSCIA is very focused on PBL classes or PBL education and everything related with the space exploration. This is what we call real space education.
We train our students on all these concepts like science and technology and how they can apply these concepts on space. So that's the beauty. We are here inside the Center for Space Education, and there is no place like this to be when you think about space exploration.
Our main goal is to inspire and motivate young minds around the globe to look at these areas as a real opportunity of personal and professional growth.
Many people ask that, do I need to be an engineer or a scientist to be part of space exploration? And the answer is no, because we have many different positions that we can work with when you think about space exploration. If you like arts, you can be part of that. If you like engineering, obviously you can be part of that. If you like to cook, actually you need to understand how we're going to have food in space. We're not just talking about engineers or technicians. That's why we try to teach and we try to show to our students when they arrive here at the Center for Space Education.
For the past years, we have been hosting students from different countries around the world here at the Center for Space Education, where everything is happening right now, so they can learn about space robotics, plants in space, astrobiology, science behind the rockets, and much, much more.
This is a whole experience, a full experience. They have a chance to be together with these friends in a different country, using a different language, and all of this is like part of this experience.
I can say that the opportunity to show them what's going on in the space program, to inspire them through those actions in history, where we have come, where we started from, and seeing what's going on right now and understanding that they have the opportunity to be a part of that. That is something that is probably the biggest pleasure I'll ever get to do.
I think that they really like to be here. Everybody that I've met so far has seemed very enthusiastic about the experience, and by the time they leave, they seem very happy. They all leave with a smile on their face.
It's amazing seeing all the girls come here. A lot of them I've talked with. They feel really inspired seeing another girl helping them with robotics and STEM. A lot of people don't have that opportunity to have female influence in STEM, so it's really great being able to be that figure for them.
I love the experience here, being able to convey the knowledge that I've achieved over the last 4 years of my college degree, as well as the Lunabox Challenge, to the next generation that's going to be coming into the space education program or even space exploration. It's a really awesome experience, and it's also really cool to get to interact with people from around the world with different backgrounds and all of the diversity that is offered through this program.
Coming from a South American country, so far away from Florida and so far away from the space reality, first of all, it's a dream come true. It's not an impossible dream. I encourage Latin Americans to become the next scientists of the next generation for the new space.
And something very exciting, especially for us who have been working in this industry for many years, with the new commercial companies or new space economy. This industry is booming, evolving into a brand new era of global opportunities. And through the space education concept and the training we provide, this new generation of space explorers will have a chance one day in the future to be part of this exciting industry.
If you ever wanted to know about new space, understand how plants grow and function in space, if you ever wanted to develop your own robot, code it, and understand how it applies to space overall, we invite you to take part in the international journey of science and technology down here at the Space Center, where you'll get to take part in all the incredible work that's going on. So I invite you to join us, and we look forward to seeing you soon.
Our main focus is to spread space education throughout the world.
KSCIA is the frontier and the pioneer organization of space education. With the concept since the beginning, we are training the new generation of space explorers. So more than just teaching kids, we're making space available for everyone. That's our mission.